Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this product service. Today, we're diving into SelfDecode.com. This platform offers personalized health reports based on your DNA data, providing insights into your genetic predispositions related to various health aspects, from mood and sleep to inflammation and gut health. They claim to analyze a vast number of SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphisms, offering a more comprehensive picture than some other DNA analysis services. The reports are designed to be actionable, suggesting specific lifestyle changes, supplements, and even lab tests you might consider based on your unique genetic profile. SelfDecode also integrates with lab test analyzers and provides personalized genetics-based health recommendations. They offer a subscription service that gives you access to new reports as they're released, and they are constantly updating their database with the latest scientific research. This means your personalized insights will evolve as our understanding of genetics progresses. One of the intriguing features is their AI-powered symptom analyzer. This tool allows you to input your symptoms and receive potential root cause analyses based on both your genetics and the presented symptoms. They also boast a community forum where you can connect with other users, share experiences, and ask questions. The platform aims to empower individuals to take control of their health by providing them with data-driven insights into their unique genetic blueprint. While SelfDecode offers a wealth of information, it's crucial to remember that genetic predispositions don't necessarily dictate your health outcomes. These reports should be viewed as tools to help you make informed decisions in conjunction with advice from your healthcare professional. Always consult with a doctor or other qualified healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplement regimen based on the information you receive from SelfDecode or any other DNA analysis service. They offer various subscription tiers depending on the level of access and features you require. It's definitely worth checking out if you're interested in exploring the connection between your genes and your overall well-being.